In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Studio. By the end, you'll know how to generate copy, create images from text, clean up photos, make targeted edits, and bring everything together for fast, polished content. Start by heading to Canva and logging in. On the home page, look for Magic Studio. If you don't see it right away, you can also open any design and access the AI tools from within the editor. The exact layout can shift as Canva updates, but the tools are usually easy to find in the side panel or under Apps. Let's begin with Magic Write, Canva's AI text generator. Open the text menu and choose Magic Write. Type a clear prompt like, write a product caption for a hair curler, then click Generate. You'll get instant copy you can paste into your design. If the tone isn't quite right, rephrase your prompt with a style note, such as playful, professional, or bold, and regenerate to refine the result. Next is text to image. Go to Apps and select text to image. Enter a descriptive prompt, for example, minimal workspace, aesthetic, soft lighting. Choose a style that matches your vision, and click Generate. Being specific about subject, mood, and lighting helps produce stronger results. You can generate a few variations and pick the one that fits your layout best. For quick cutouts, use Background Remover. Upload a photo or video, click Edit, then Background Remover, and apply. The background disappears automatically, making it easy to place your subject on a clean canvas, a gradient, or a branded backdrop. To change just part of an image, try Magic Edit. Click the image, go to Edit, then Magic Edit. Brush over the area you want to modify. Enter a short prompt like add sunglasses or change outfit to red dress, and let the AI replace only that selection. Short, direct prompts usually give the most natural results. Need more room around your subject? Use Magic Expand. Click the image, choose Magic Expand, pick a direction or size, and apply. This is great for turning a tight crop into a banner or adjusting aspect ratios without awkward gaps. To remove distractions, select Magic Eraser. Click the image, choose Magic Eraser, brush over the unwanted object, and remove. Working in small passes helps the background blend cleanly. Magic Studio also powers video. You can remove video backgrounds, add animations, auto-generate captions, and resize for different platforms, keeping everything consistent and on brand. Finally, combine these tools for speed, draft ideas with text, generate images, refine with edits, enhance video, then export. That's the workflow creators use to move from concept to content fast and confidently.